Good morning, everyone. I am back with another coding breakdown video of my coding challenge for today. Today, I am on Data Emotions Week 14 coding question, and I'll leave the link to that website in the description below in case you guys want to check it out. But let's go ahead and read the instructions. The instruction says create a function that takes in a string as an input. If the string starts with a vowel, return true. If not, return false. So as you can see, I already created my skeleton here. Like I said, it takes in the string as the parameter. And down here in my main, I copy and pasted both of those test cases, but I put it inside of the list. And then from there, we're going to loop through the list and print out each test individually on its own line. So let's get started with the solution function. We're checking to see if the first letter starts with a vowel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a list called vowel. And we are going to store our vowels in there. We're going to do first is A, E, I, O, and U. So that will be our vowel list here. So after that, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to check the first letter of the string passed to that list. And if it's in that list, we'll return true. And if it's not in that list, we will be returning false. So we'll say if a string index of 0, which is the first letter, is in vowel, we're simply going to return true. And it'll be a capital T, true. And then if that's not the case, it'll just return false by default. And that should be it, as simple as that. Wait, let me change this. I put an O instead of a 0, the 0 index. All right, guys, let's go ahead and test it and see if everything is working correctly. I don't see anything that will be an issue right now, but we always have to run it and see. And we got back false and true. So it looks like everything is working correctly. Let me know how you would have went about solving this problem, and let me know if you have any tips for me. Like and subscribe if you would like. Other than that, everyone have a great Friday, and bye-bye.